Hello, and in this video I'm going to tell you why you're struggling to find something you're passionate about. So at some stage of our life, we all struggled with this. So like, I know if I told you that I didn't struggle with this, that I would be a liar. Because knowing what you're passionate about it's not that easy. You just got to keep experimenting with different things, trying new things out, and knowing whether or not you enjoy doing those things for a long period of time. But there's more to that. There's more to it than just that. So if you want to know what you're passionate about, you should be able to try new things. So what I mean when I say you should try new things is that you like the more things that you try, the more you know if it fits into what you like to do and your work and stuff like that. And that's how you basically know if you want to do something and if you're passionate about it. So just doing two things won't really tell you about yourself and what you're passionate about. Got to do more than two things and multitask, which is in the next thing that I will tell you right now. So the second thing that you want to do is multitasking. Most people say that you shouldn't be multitasking because you tend to get less work actually done, but which is true. But for this, we're just trying to find our passion, what we're passionate about. So multitasking is a great way to figure that out. It's with multitasking, how you figure this out is when you create a schedule evenly for each thing that you want to try. And if you find yourself doing one thing more than the other ones, then you know that you're passionate about that because you're putting in more time, not even knowing that time's going by, and you're enjoying what you're doing. That's how you know that you're passionate about it and that you should keep pushing hard to try to achieve. So if you're still struggling to find something that you're actually passionate about, then what you should do is you should ask your family members and your friends. So this helps greatly because they can tell you, they know you best, they've known you for a longer period of time, and they could tell you some good things about you, some bad things about you that you may not know. So just go to them and ask, what are some good things about me, what are some bad things about me, and then they will tell you, like, maybe you're confident when it comes to speaking to other people, then you take that and you look for business ideas related to being confident and speaking to people. So for example, as a social media marketing agency, you can do that if you're confident with speaking to people. If they say you're a good writer, you could do email marketing, stuff like that. So that's how you really know, get some ideas of what you're good at, so then you could try them all out and see if you're really passionate about it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.